All right, let's go ahead and get started. This is the video tutorial for how to put together the SAINTCON Attendee or People mini badge. There's 4 different versions of this badge out and about. One is for attendees, there's one for speakers, there's one for volunteers, and there's one for committee and staff members. But let's go ahead and dig into this badge. So inside the bag, there's several components. First and foremost, there is the PCB or the circuit board. There is an LED that's a through-hole LED. There's a resistor that's a surface mount resistor, and then there's 4 of these 2-position pin headers. We'll go ahead and set those aside for a minute, and we can get to those in just a moment. Okay, so the PCB board here has a fingerprint design on the front face. That's the front, and the back has just an oval design and places for a couple of the components. In order to assemble this, we want to start on the back side first, and the first component that we're going to put onto this board is the resistor. And in order to do that, to locate the position for the resistor, right here near the top, and it depends on which badge you have that you're putting together, but this resistor pad might be twisted 90 degrees. But in either case, there's 2 pads that make up the resistor component surface. And the way that we solder this and make it easiest is to put one side, or put solder on one side and one side only at a time. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to zoom this camera in, and I'm going to kind of show you right up close, or as close as I can kind of get it. Let me make a little adjustment to the light here so you can see. And I might even get even closer so you can see that board, and let's kind of go from there. So anyways, as you can see here, we have the resistor pad up here, which consists of these 2 things. What we're going to do to make this easiest is we're going to use a 1-pad solder or hand solder technique, which is we're going to take a soldering iron that's got a good hot and clean tip. The heat on this is at about 750 degrees Fahrenheit. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this soldering iron and touch and hold it on that pad and just kind of feed a tiny dab of solder onto it. So I'm going to get that right up to the camera here so you can see that a little bit better. But it's literally just this kind of little dab of solder on that one side of that of those 2 pads. Excuse me. Okay, and then I'm going to take the resistor and I'm going to kind of stab it with the tweezers. Just don't stab yourselves, and then you kind of just take the top half of this off, and the resistor kind of opens up in there. If you're not careful, you can kind of snap it or bump it, and that resistor will go flying across the room. But in this case, there's the resistor. Resistors do not have a polarity, so it doesn't matter which direction they go, and so I'm just going to set it on like this. And what you do is you kind of set it and get it kind of in place where you want it. And the best way to take care of this is to just rest gently the tweezers on top of that resistor when it's bridging both pads. And I'm just going to heat up that one side, and what you'll feel is that resistor will sink underneath of your tweezers, and it will become, or it'll kind of sink into that blob of solder on that side, becoming connected. And so now, even with my fingernail, you can't really easily pull that off. And so it's on there, but it's only on, or it's only connected on one side. So we need the soldering iron one more time, and we're just going to heat up that pad underneath and flow just a tiny bit of solder into it. And that is all it takes. You saw that, it was just a tiny dab of solder to make that work. And so the resistor is the hardest part to put on this particular mini badge. And so if you've gotten this far, you're doing great. The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to connect the LED. And so in order to do that, I'm going to use this little tool right here that'll make life a little bit easier for us. You probably have something like this as well, something to plug mini badges into. It just makes it easier to hold the mini badge down while we're doing what we're doing. So next component that we're putting together is this through-hole LED. And so this is a special LED that does color changing, which makes it really cool looking. It has a really awesome effect. The leads on an LED, the longer lead is the positive side of the LED in this case, And the positive side always goes through, on these people mini badges, the circle side of the mini badge. But this is going to be a little bit deceiving because you'd think that you'd put the LED on the front, but that's not the case. We're going to use this little contraption right here to just kind of hold this mini badge in place while we stick the long side of the LED through the circle hole. And you'll notice, and it's just kind of plugging into the bottom here, so it kind of holds this thing in place. But you'll notice that the bottom side of the mini badge is facing up, and that is the correct way to do this at this point. And so what we want to do is we want to stick this LED in, but we don't want to stick it all the way to the bottom. If you can see, I shoved it all the way to the bottom there. I want you to pull it out to where it's just kind of resting at the top here, so that it's held in place. And so this is kind of a little trick to make it easier to solder it effectively. And so once that LED is just kind of sitting in there, you're going to get your solder and your soldering iron, and you're just going to touch that bottom pad, feed some solder into it, and connect both sides of that LED to the board. And then you can kind of just pull it off of there. You can see how it was being held in by the holes over here. But that's about how you want it. One word of caution here real quick is that some of the LEDs that we've provided are much longer on the leads, and you might have to trim it down. The right amount of spacing to make what we're going to do work is about to have a 1/2 inch from the surface of the board to the bottom of the LED. Doesn't have to be exact, it's just an approximate. We'll make it work. And to get the effect that we want for this LED or for this mini badge, we're going to bend this LED over and point it into the center of this oval shape. And so the best way to do that is to grab your tweezers and just kind of set it up against that LED like this. It's kind of hard to see here. And then push down and kind of bend that LED over. And then you're gonna kind of push up against it with the tweezers again, and you're gonna kind of push that LED so that it just bends over, and that the center part of that LED, and I'm just gonna use the tweezers here to kind of manipulate it and adjust it a little bit, but we want the center part of that LED, as much as possible, to be pointing at about the center part of this oval. So you kind of push this around and kind of bend that. If you bend it back and forth too much, those will break, and that's not what you want. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this is essentially the effect that you're looking for, is you want that LED turned over and pointing to the board on the back side. And then just get your straight cut pliers that are available all over the tables in the circuit assembly area, and you're just gonna snip flush the front part of this mini badge so that the front part looks like that and the back part looks like this. And then after that, it's super simple to finish this up. You get your same board here that we used as our placeholder for the LED, and you're just gonna stick these headers in each of the 4 corners, just like that. So you can see those headers are there. And then you just set this mini badge on top right there. That's a convenient way to hold it all in place and keep it all nice and snug while we're soldering. And then literally to finish this up, you're just heating up that pin, adding a little bit of solder. Same thing here. And I'm kind of doing the outside edges, or at least one of each first. We're gonna do all 8, but in order to be convenient with the soldering iron, I'm just gonna turn it around to make it easier to reach. And we're just gonna fill in each one of these contact points with solder. And that completes this particular mini badge. Let me see if I've got a battery here that I can put into this mini badge. So I'm gonna move this slots because I know that other slot might have a little bit of a problem from something we did earlier. And I just happen to know how this gets connected here, but I think we can force that mini badge to light up. So you can see now, in fact, if I turn off the light here and maybe turn this one off here, give me one sec, you can actually see the blinking function and the color changing that occurs with that LED lighting up the back side of that. So it's a really cool effect. for each one of the attendee mini badges. I hope that you enjoy it.